This is a 2012 Buick Regal. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, keyless ignition, a sunroof, an intercooled turbocharger, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player which can read MP3s, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a rear parking aid, and this vehicle has fewer than 6,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.